Hello, Lee it is, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you a quick fight. We've got a new microphone installed, so this is a bit more of a test run, so here we go. I'm going to click on battle. We're going to see who's available to fight. Liverpool FC. As you can see, we've only got one more fight available. So we're going to use that now and see how it goes. Speed things up a bit. Hope everybody's had a fantastic day. Alright, so far so good. Here goes the mage now. Oh, love it. 400 blow. Boosh. 680. Not bad. Here he is, the unicorn trying to heal his team as a bit of a panic attack. There you go. We can do the same thing. Not even a scratch on the surface on this one. There we have it. Rank point 16, XP 230. So 230 is shared between the 5 of them. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a quick fight.